Put it in the sink. Keep the sponge over the sink. And wash the dishes. Over the sink. Over the sink. The dishes. Wash them with the sponge. But wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes? Okay.
With the sponge.
Sponge?
Rub the dishes with the sponge. Rub the cup with the sponge. Yeah. Over the sink though. There you go.
And some water.
Yeah. Is it clean yet?
Yep.
What are you doing? No, don't do that. What are you doing?
Running teeth.
I'm doing a video. Say silly rabbit.
Silly rabbit.
What's the whole thing?
Run teeth.
What do you say to your yogurt? Silly rabbit.
Silly rabbit. For kids.
That's right. No, no.